Hitavatirnasya ko ishire asya. Who can measure, who can count the number of transcendental qualities that you have, O Supreme Lord? Brahmaji is saying. And then he says, Vimatum. Vimatum means to measure. To Vimatum ko ishire asya gunan. Who can measure, who can count the number of unlimited qualities that you have? Because Krishna, Vishnu has unlimited qualities. It is not possible to count the number of qualities that he has. And then Brahmaji says that Kalena Yairva Vimitaha Sukalpair. The Sukalpair, the great thinkers, that means scientists, they may, Kalena, in due course of time, they may be able to measure, Vimitaha, they may be able to measure, Bhupam Savaha Khemihikaha Dubhasaha. They may be able to measure Bhupamsaha, every single atom in this universe, they may be able to count. And K, every single atom in the sky also they may be able to count. Mihikaha, every single atom in all the snow particles that are spread all over this world, they may be able to count even that also. Can you imagine? Counting the atoms in snow. Even that the scientists may be able to achieve. And Dubhasaha, they may be able to count all the stars and luminaries and planets in the whole universe. Like all these cosmologists, they keep counting and identifying this asteroid is this star is this, and they keep discovering newer stars, newer universes, newer galaxies, etc. He is saying, Brahmaji is saying, in due course of time, they may be able to have identified every single planet, every single galaxy, every single star, every single atom within this universe, they may be able to identify. Still, they cannot count the number of qualities that the Supreme Lord has, Vishnu has. Even the scientists, on the strength of their discoveries and inventions and their ability to be able to measure this universe, they declare that where is God? We have discovered this, we have done this and all. That is because they have a poor fund of knowledge. They do not know the unlimited qualities that the Supreme Lord Vishnu possesses. Okay, one may say, okay, it may not be possible for the Asuras and the scientists because they don't have any knowledge of the Vedas and all to be able to count or to be able to measure the qualities of the Supreme Lord. But there are other personalities, great intellectuals. There are Munis, there is Brahmaji himself, there are such great sages, there are people who live in the Siddhalokas, Janaloka, which is all above Swargaloka. What about them? About them, Brahmaji says that Nantam Vidamyaham ime munayo agrajaste Maya balasya purushasya kuto avaraye. Brahmaji says, Aham na antam vidami. I do not know the end of the glories of the qualities of the Supreme Lord. And ime munayaha agrajase. And he is actually speaking to Narada Muni. So he is telling, Brahmaji is telling Narada Muni, all these Munis who are born before you, who are your elder brothers. Because before Narada Muni was born, Brahmaji created so many rishis and munis also. And therefore, Brahmaji is telling Narada Muni, all these munis who have been born before you, nor me, none of us can know all the unlimited qualities of the Supreme Lord Vishnu. Nantam vidamyaham. Neither I can measure, neither I can count all the qualities of the Supreme Lord. Nantam vidamyaham ime munayo agrajaste. And not only that, he says, Maya balasya purushasya kuto avaraye. The Supreme Lord, he is Maya bala. He has so many shaktis. He has so many unlimited energies. He is Maya balasya. All the energies are possessed by him. Kuto avaraye. Forget about all the other lower people. Even myself, as well as all the munis, all the rishis who have been born before you, O Narada, none of us can know the Supreme Lord and can measure his qualities. Meaning, all these asuras, all these scientists, all these so-called intellectuals, they are all they are all very insignificant in front of Brahmaji and all that. So forget about them. Not even Brahmaji, not even all the rishis and munis and siddhas and gandharvas and all the devatas, none of them can actually assess or measure or count the unlimited transcendental qualities of the Supreme Lord. Not even this. Brahmaji further says that he says, Gayan guna dashasatanana adidevah shesho adunapi sambhavayati nasya param. That adunapi, even today, from the beginning of creation, you can imagine, from the beginning of creation till today, adunapi till today, what is happening? Adidevah Sheshaha, the first personality of Godhead, Shesha, who is Ananta Shesha. And that Ananta Shesha, who was there in the beginning of creation, and he has Dashashatanana, he has 1,000 hoods. And on 1,000 hoods, he is holding up all the universes are spread on his hoods like small mustard seeds. All the universes are floating on his, are being supported on his 1,000 hoods. The 1,000-hooded Ananta Shesha, with all his 1,000 hoods, with all his 1,000 mouths, he is Gayan Gunan, he is glorifying the qualities of Krishna, Vishnu. And Adhunapi, even today, from the beginning of creation, he has been going on glorifying. Nasya Param, he has still not reached the end of the glories of Krishna. So where is the question of great munis, rishis, and forget about munis and rishis? What can scientists and asuras measure about the qualities of the Supreme Lord Vishnu or Krishna? It is not possible.